today I thought it would be so much fun if I took you along with me as I redecorated my bedroom. I'm so excited to be making over my bedroom today. I've actually switched rooms in my apartment. I used to be in the room next door, but I wasn't really loving it. I didn't really like the vibe in there and the lighting was all weird. So I've moved into this bedroom, which is great because now I have a blank canvas and I can start again. If this is my first video that you're seeing and you're wondering who I am, then hi, my name is Jillian and I'm so excited that you found my channel. And if you would like to see more videos from me in the future and you haven't already subscribed, then just go ahead and click the subscribe button, and then whenever I upload a new video, you'll be able to see it. I definitely think it's time that we transform this bedroom into something a little bit more fun and colourful, so let's jump into it. One of the things I love about this room is that it has this massive blank wall and it's got no doors in it or windows or anything. It's just a plain wall, so I cannot wait to do something with it. And I have a really awesome piece from PBT that I got for this wall and I can't wait to show you guys. The only things I have in here at the moment are my bed, my two bedside tables, and then there's a little thing of shelves behind you. And I think it's time that we bring some colour in here. So I'm going to start off with the bedspread that I picked out. What I absolutely love about this bedspread is the fact that it's actually double-sided, and on the other side it's this really pretty pink with white sprinkles, and this is a really awesome way to have like two different bedspreads whilst only paying for one. I picked up two of these large, I think the style is European style pillows, so they're these really big square ones, and I got these to go at the very head of the bed just to give it some height. Does that look cute? I like it. I've never had these before and I've always wanted to try them. One of my absolute favorite things about making my bed is adding all the throw pillows, and you guys probably know by now how much I love throw pillows. I think it's so important when choosing your throw pillows to have different textures. So this one over here that I found at Target is a really pretty pink, but as you can see, it's really fluffy. And then this one here, it's got this really cool, I guess you'd call it ribbon detailing. But then this one is different again, and then we've also just got some normal ones. And all these together are just gonna work super well. The most awesome flamingo neon sign, and I'm gonna pop this above my bedside table and stick it on. I have to use these little Velcro strips because I'm renting and I'm not allowed to put any holes in the walls, so that's why I'll be using a lot of these today. But I'm so excited to see how this flamingo is going to look. From Urban Outfitters, and it says choose love, and I thought the perfect place to put this would be above the other bedside table. To the left of my bed, I have this blank wall, and I wanted to create some art that would bring in all the colors from my bedspread. So what I did was I went out and I grabbed a bunch of wool that matched my bedspread, and I'm gonna make a wall hanging, and I think it's gonna look really cute. So let's jump into that. I have my first lot of wool here, and as you can see, I've cut about 30 pieces of the same length of wool, so I have quite a bunch. Now I'm going to take this wooden piece of dowel and I'm going to wrap this around the dowel and then tie it. I've just attached the first lot of wool and it's already looking really nice. So what I'm going to do now is to go in with the next color of wool, which is a really pretty green, and I'm going to put one lot on each side and just tie the same knot. Got the feeling from the start, you might be the guy who'll break my heart. Hello. Hello. Even though I took a risk, it is worth the while for just one kiss. I know.
just know it. Caught up in the moment, wanna spend every second with you, yeah. All I do is thinking.
Here I'm adding a rug just to give the floor a bit of texture, and also I'm not a big fan of the color of this carpet, so I like covering it up with rugs.
Right next to you, right in the middle.
I've had this pegboard sitting around for a while and I wasn't sure what I wanted to do with it. The shelves are pretty plain and I wanted to make them a bit more colourful, so I decided to paint them all, and because they're a raw timber I could just go straight in with my paint.
You and I are so alike, and I guess it can be bad sometimes. Don't know. I don't know. Even when you say let's go, I can see the hesitation grow. Just know. I just know it. Caught up in the moment, wanna spend every second with you. With you.
Now that all the basic parts of the room are completed, it's time to go in and put the finishing touches on everything.